In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Otter API. We'll walk through the full sign-in flow so you can get into your account quickly and confidently, whether you prefer using a Google, Microsoft, or Apple account, or you want to sign in with your email. Start by opening your web browser and heading to otter.ai. Give the page a moment to load. You're on the right page if you see the Otter branding and navigation across the top. Now look to the upper right corner of the site and select Login. That takes you to the secure sign-in screen. Here you'll see several sign-in choices. If you use Google, click Continue with Google. A window may pop up asking you to pick the Google account you want to use and to grant Otter permission to access basic account details for authentication. Choose your account and continue. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, this step can complete in just a click. Prefer your work or school credentials. Choose Continue with Microsoft. As with Google, select your account when prompted and follow any on-screen security checks, like entering a code or confirming multi-factor authentication if your organization requires it. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, select Continue with Apple. You may be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, and then you'll be brought back to Otter once authentication is complete. If you don't want to use a single sign-on provider, select Other ways to log in. This reveals the email option. Enter your email address carefully to avoid typos, since Otter may send a one-time code or sign-in link depending on your region and current settings. After you've typed your email, you can still choose to continue with Google on that same screen if that's the account associated with your email. Select your Google account when prompted and proceed. This is helpful if you started with email and then decided to use Google to speed things up. A couple of quick tips as you sign in. Always use the same method you used when you first created your Otter account to avoid accidentally creating duplicates. If you hit a verification step, keep your email inbox or authenticator app handy and complete any security prompts right away. And if the login button doesn't seem to respond, refresh the page, disable any aggressive browser extensions, or try a private window. Once you've completed the authentication step you chose, you'll land in your Otter dashboard and you're in. That's it. Simple, secure, and done.